Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cuisinart single serve coffee maker and grinder. You can see the different options you have here on the top of the coffee maker. You have the coffee grinder here in front, so you can grind fresh coffee beans if you like to. Let me show you the water filter. This sets in the back to filter out your water. Just place it in the back of it. And you have your coffee filter here in the front. You just lift that up and you place your coffee filter. It's reusable, so that's good. I like this coffee maker, especially if you like using fresh coffee beans or making your own coffee from the beans instead of just the store-bought grinded ones. You just grind them yourself and have it made right here in your home fresh. It's a good product. I hope this review of the Cuisinart coffee maker grinder helps.